everyone, I'm wygowarrior, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. Look what I got. OMG. I haven't picked up a Trendmood box since last year, which was volume 25. This here is the latest and greatest, volume 32. Now this is not a subscription box. Trendmood, which I believe started as an account on Instagram, she gets all the new releases and posts everything related to makeup and beauty products. And sporadically, she will have a one-time box with some of the newest products coming out on the market. The box I got last year was like a $40 box. This box was $62, but it has 9 products and a value approaching almost $300. If any of you are interested in signing up for her email alerts or text messages, I have a link in the description below. All right, enough rambling. Let's dive in and look at all of the goodies I got. This box, by the way, weighs a ton. Look how beautifully it's packaged. Now, unfortunately, this is sold out, which is why it's important to sign up for her emails or text messages, because when that alert comes out, you've got to place your order stat if you want to get it before it sells out. All right. Ooh, there's so many goodies in here. All right, let's start with the product that caught my eye and prompted me to actually pull the trigger. This here is by Terry, and it's a Brightening CC palette. This product retails for $62. You heard me right. So this one product in the box paid for the box. First, can we agree at how gorgeous and beautiful this packaging is? It comes with a mirror. By Terry, why do you got to go 80% open? At least it opens more than some. Take a look. Now these are powders which can be used for various different applications. This here can be like a bronzer or bronzer topper. These two pinky shades can be used as blushes. This can be used as a highlighter. You can use any of these products any way you want. And the embossing is just as beautiful as the outer packaging. All right, next up we have a product from HERBIVORE. This is called Nova, which is a vitamin C and turmeric brightening serum. And if you thought the by Terry was awesome at $62 to pay for the box, this bad boy retails for $68. Yeah, you heard me right. I am 58, almost 59 years old. I love and enjoy skincare, and heck no am I gonna spend $68 of my own money. So after 2 products, we're at a $68 profit. Girl math, you know. We are in the plus sign. All right, this is a product from a brand I've never heard of called HANNI, and it's the Fatty Acid Moisture Stick. This product really intrigued me because if you follow me, thank you, you know I am a lazy girl. So this is a stick form of a moisturizer that you can apply directly to your face, either by itself or after you've applied some serums. Wow, this is quite large, and I understand why they call it a fatty stick. All right, that's what she looks like. Comes with a little protector. Does it have a scent? No, I'm not picking up any kind of scent. So if I wasn't wearing foundation, you know, that is very intriguing and retails for $28. All right, the next product I am super excited about. This here is from Glossier, and it's one of their Balm Dotcom lip products, and this is in the scent shade Rose Balm Dotcom. I really hope it doesn't smell like rose. It comes in a little squeezy tube, and these retail for $16. It has a little slanty bit, so let's get some moisture on my lips. I have tried one of these before in a different scent shade. I want to say it was like mango. She is a little thick. Whoa! Whoa! Did you see that or just hear it? A little bit just popped out. I have no idea where that landed. Probably on a makeup brush. All right. That is the shade. It's a pink. Let's see how she looks on my lips. That was hilarious. It's very comfortable. Has a very subtle, barely there color. Sadly, it does smell of roses. It's very faint and subtle. But this girl here can pick it up. So, I'm not happy about that. But once you've applied it, you don't smell it just during application. All right, let's move on to another product. This product also was interesting to me. It's from the brand Vacation, which I know for creating sunscreens. And this is their Instant Vacation Bronzing Lotion. It's SPF 30, but also is like a fake tan all in one. And it says you don't need to use a mitt to apply it. All you have to do is after you apply it is go wash your hands with soap and water. So this will be fun to test out. And the bronzing lotion retails for $24. All right, next product. This is from a brand I've never heard of called FABLE and Maine. And I love how they packaged this so that there were no explosions. This is their Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. As you may be aware, I have very short hair. I don't have any issues where I need a detangling conditioner, but I can pass this along to my nieces. The full size retails for, I want to say $36. This, I'm not sure if it is full size or not. I will post something on screen. But for you girls who love hair products, that's a good one. All right, next up, we have a product from Beauty of JOSEON, and this is the Day Dew Sunscreen. Broad Spectrum SPF 50, and we get 50 ml. I currently am using an eye cream from this brand, which is, I believe, either Japanese or K-Beauty. They are very reasonably priced. This retails for $18. Next, we have some press-on nails from a brand called DIGI. This is $11 and one of the very few products in this box that I will pass along. I'm not one for press-on nails, but hey, if you enjoy such a product, this would have come in the box. All right, last but not least, we have a product from a brand I also have never heard of called Magic Molecule. This product really intrigued me. So this is their Hypochlorous acid solution for acne and body. So at first I was like, well, I don't have acne. Apparently, you know how men get a lot of acne on their back? You can spray this and it will apparently help that out. But when I read online, you can spray this on bug bites, rashes, eczema, basically any kind of redness or skin irritation. And this spray retails for, wow, $36. Dang. So we got a lot of products, 9 of them, and 2 were valued over $60. If anyone's curious what the MSRP value is, I'm going to list it above. Not that MSRP value really matters. I tend to pick these boxes if I like and will use and enjoy at least half of the products in the box. This was a good one because there were only 2 products that I won't use or enjoy, the press-on nails and the leave-in conditioner. All of the other items, the serums, the SPF, this interesting spray for bug bites and rashes, but mainly I really wanted this palette from By Terry. All right, now I want to hear from you. Let me know if you've ever picked up a Trendmood box before. And if so, what did you think of this box? And did you pick it up as well? Also, I'm super curious if any of you watching are the type who pick up every single box. Some of her boxes, they're very like hair care product heavy and just, I pass on those. Like I mentioned at the beginning, I hadn't picked up a box since last year. So I'm super excited and hope that if you found this box interesting, that you go ahead and sign up so that you can be notified the next time she has a box. All right, I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much Remember to click that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking on the thumbs up, it really does help with my channel to grow. All right, thanks everyone.